So today we are going to see how can we call a data from a database into a combo box. So first of all, here is a database called add information in which we have two fields, that is state and city. As you can see, there is no data in a database called add info. So first we are going to insert a data in a database called add info. So we have here a form of add info where we are going to insert a data in two fields, that is state and city. So for inserting the data into a database, you can refer to the last video how to insert a data in a database from the link given below. So let's start. First of all, we are going to insert the data in a database. I'm going to give you a quick revision of how to write a code of inserting data in a database. So here is a code: try connection of Oracle.get connection. String SQL is your query line in which you are going to write the line that how you can insert the data in database, and rest you can find from the link given below. Now let's start. MHRSSTR in Maharashtra. City is Pune. Insert successful. Now we are going to use UP. City will be UCK and Lucknow. Insert successfully. Now let's see in the database. You can see UP and Maharashtra present here. The data which we have inserted is insert in a database. Now we need to call a database data into a combo box. So let's move towards that. So it's a registration form. Here we have two combo box, that is for one for state and another for city. The name of a combo box is CMB state for state and CMB city for city. Another thing you need to very sure about it, click on a properties, go to code, find access modifier. It's by default private, so make it public for both of them so you can access the combo box from anywhere in a code line. So let's move towards the code. So what does the code says? We need to create a function first so that it doesn't need to write code again and again. Public void fill state for state. CMB state is a combo box name, is already blank or blank field. If you want to write this line, you can write, or else you can leave it blank. I'll show you later what will happen if you leave the line blank. You are having try catch block, try correction conf, but get correction, string SQL, select star from add information. This is a query. This query says states that all the rows, all the all the all the data, that means all the rows and columns from add information is going to be covered. Prepare statement is going to prepare a statement of this, and execute query is going to execute the query. Rs dot next this thing. This is our logic. So logic said that we are using while loop. Why we are using while loop, that must be clear, and you must be know the basic difference between do and while loop. So due to the difference, we are using while loop here. While rs dot next result cell dot next. So if we're going to call the data again and again, if we're going to so if we're going to take all the data from a database into this query, and it will going to put the data in a get string method. String state is a keyword. Rs dot get string is a method of result set of state is a column. If you need to call a data of a column city, so you can call the column city or whatever column is in your database. For example, I have In my database, there are two columns, that is state and city. So first, I need to call data of state. So I'm using state here, and cmd.add item is going to state here. So this way, you can call the comboboxes. First of all, field state. Just remember this line. It's the most important line. This line is what exactly from which field you want to call the data. Field from which data will call. Like for example, I have state, so I want to write state. If I am having city, so I'm going to write city. So make it clear to using this. I am using state as a variable just because so that it will be clear that I am calling state. Therefore, I am using state. So variable name must be match with your code. If I am using city, so I'm going to use a variable as a city. So now let's call the column method. Let's see the code works or not. So here, as you can see, data has already come in combo boxes. Same goes for city. For city, we need to just need to make some changes and nothing else. First of all, need to change the name. Column will be city, so city. Variable name will be city, so we need to call city. So city will going to pass here. Instead of city, you can use this variable also. This method also. Let's see. No city has come. Okay, we haven't called the function, that's why the function has been called. Still, a problem occurs. Okay, so common mistake. I'm using here. It will be CMD city and it will be CMD city. That's why. Let's see. Hmm. Next, why we are using this line? Suppose I make this line as a blank. So first record I'm going to get in a state it will be UP, most probably. See, for making a combo box like this, you have to first pass the parameter that is blank. So we are using add item as blank. Therefore, we are using this line. So that's it. For calling a data from a database into a combo box, you need to just to go through this code and you can call any type of data in a combo box by using this.